Yn y 6ed ganrif, dienyddiwyd merch leol gan Caradog, ac yn y man ble disgynodd ei ffen, fe gododd ffynnon. A rhwng y dŵr sanctaidd a help Saint Beino, ailosodwyd ei ffen a chododd o farw fyw. Y wyrth gyntaf un. Nawr mwyn sicrhau bod clwb pach Treffynnon yn gallu rhoi chwip dyn go iawn i'w gwrthwynebu'r nesaf, sef Aberystwyth wrth gwrs, ond mae angen cymryd mantais o unrhyw gymorth ysbrydol sydd ar gael yn yr ardal. Yn ôl y traddodiad, mae angen cerdded o gwmpas y ffynnon 2 gwaith cyn rhoi gweddi fach. A wedyn, selio'r cyfan gyda dip yn y dŵr. This is one of the 7 wonders of Wales. Can your football club become the 8th, do you think?
Let's hope so, eh? Yeah.
It's been quite a run. Premiership scalp in Newtown, and then the drama at Porthmadog, of course, in the last rounds.
Being so close to the Newtown game, you know, we always knew it was going to be hard to get that performance out of the lads again. But we knew a little bit about Porthmadog. The lads rolled the sleeves up and, they dug in and battled well. And when they got the chances, they took it.
Trwy bod yna lot o uchafbwyntiau, os yna un uchafbwynt, fi'n gofyn cwestiwn top i'r person ysgorio'r gol fuddigol ym Porthmadog.
Mae'r rheolwr o hyd yn gofyn a beth ni'n neud fyny yna, ond da o'n i'n lwcus i fod yna. Dyma fe'n perfformio gorau gan ni, ond ar un i dangos ochr arall i'r tîm, dangos cymeriad a wedyn. Da o'n i'n heifu'r ennill yn diwedd.
You've done it once against the Welsh Premier team in Newtown. Can you do it again against Aberystwyth?
Well, the attacking players, really, from what we've seen, yeah, they look really lively, they work hard, and they're quite direct as well. So, I think if you give them any chances in around the box, they'll take them with both hands, yeah.
Faint o gyffros yn y dre?
Wel, mae yna 4 bws yn mynd lawr, a felly mae'n ffantastig. Os ti'n cerdded lawr y dref, mae pawb yn siarad amdani a pawb yn mwynhau.
Just can't believe it. She's on a high, all of us. Because we're all great mates, we all just speak about it every night early. Just can't believe what's happening.
I think we're here on merit. I think the games, have all been tough, and from the first round we've played against higher opposition, and we deserve to be here, and we won't waste the chance.
What's the secret of your success?
Delegation, boys. In you go.
So you've got Pam Beaver mewn.
Oh, that's me.
Oh, holy! Well!
Go on, lad, go on.
Mae'n bach yn oer. Y cyfan er mwyn sgorio, dwi'n bod chi'n hapus. Ddim yn Malcolm Allen.